If Steam is showing the missing file privileges error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step, so you can get your game downloading or updating properly again. This issue usually happens because Steam doesn't have the right permissions, a file is locked by Windows, your library needs repairing, or security software is blocking the install. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, completely close Steam. Don't just minimize it. Check your taskbar and system tray to make sure it isn't still running in the background. Once Steam is fully closed, right-click the Steam icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions and often fixes the missing file privileges error right away. Now, if that doesn't solve it, the next thing you should do is verify your game files. Open your Steam library, right-click the game that's giving you trouble, and go to Properties. From there, click Installed Files, and then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace any missing or corrupted files automatically. This is one of the best fixes when an update or install gets stuck because of damaged files. After that, if the problem is still there, restart your PC. It might sound simple, but a full restart can clear locked file issues, reset background processes, and remove temporary permission conflicts that stop Steam from writing to your drive. If the error continues, move on to repairing your Steam library folder. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Storage. Find the drive where the game is installed, click the three dots next to it, and choose Repair Library. This helps fix issues with the Steam library structure itself, especially if files are stored on another drive or an external location. Next, clear the Steam download cache. Go back into Steam Settings, open Downloads, and select Clear Cache. Steam may ask you to log in again afterward, but this can solve corrupted download data that interferes with game installs and updates. Another important step is checking your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software incorrectly flags Steam or game files and blocks access. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall just long enough to test whether that's the cause. If the error disappears, you'll know you need to add Steam to the allowed apps or exclusions list instead of leaving protection off permanently. You should also try changing your download region. In Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and change your region to a different nearby server. Sometimes the issue isn't just on your PC, but on the download server or route Steam is using. Switching regions can help fix strange download and permission errors. If one fix doesn't work, don't skip the next one. These problems are often caused by a combination of settings, so going through each step gives you the best chance of solving it for good. And if you're trying to fix a game that keeps failing to update, installing as administrator, verifying files, and clearing cache are usually the three fastest fixes to try first. Once you've gone through these steps, try your download or update again and see if the issue is gone. In most cases, one of these methods will get Steam working normally again. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.